Hey, hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This reflects image. If this is your first time visiting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification icon. If you have any question, you can contact me wherever I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So please guys, I'm now on TikTok where I'll be dropping some of my BTS, though it's just a newly created account. Just created the account. Please kindly follow me there to help actually move the ministry forward. Thanks for following me, for subscribing to my channel. Please do well as to follow me on my TikTok also. So let's move the business forward. So I can be posting my BTS here that often, but it will be easier for me to post on TikTok. So you can gain a thing or two from that, especially when it comes to my outdoor light setup. So without further ado, let's jump into action. So seeing this picture, you might be thinking this is how my background is. Probably this is how low light my backdrop is. But that's not the way my backdrop is. This is the initial backdrop I actually shoot the picture on. So I actually turned this backdrop to something like this and created a low light effect with the backdrop and the picture. So I'll be giving you the backdrop I use for free, including the note effect I use there. I might not even notice there is note effect there. But the lot is part of my premium pack, which is available for sale. So let's jump straight into action. So the first thing, let's turn this layer off. This is just formality. So let's just name it irrelevant. Irrelevant event. So now don't count this as part of our work. So just turn it off. The first thing you need to do is to duplicate your layer by clicking on Ctrl J. Don't worry, it's going to be an easy step and you can actually just do that. And I think this should be my unique color code, my unique background code when I'm actually editing my studio picture right now. So make sure you're done with your retouching first. Make sure you're doing your retouching, then rasterize the layers back to the way it is. Then duplicate by clicking on Ctrl J. So now let's name this layer right now. Let's name it our subject layer or our model. Let's name it our model layer. Next thing you need to do right now is to select your subject from the background, separate your subject from the background. So there are so many ways to actually do that, which I actually discussed in so many of my videos in the past. But in this video, I won't be talking much about it. I'll just, because I've already saved my selection, I'll just bring back the selection. Most people, as long as a photographer and a manipulator, should be able to do this step easy and straightforward without any guideline. So I've actually saved my selection, so I'm just going to bring back my selection right now and click on my OK. And as you can see, my selection is back for me. So instead of me to start from the scratch again, I already have a head start right now. What I just need to do, just to go to my polygonal axis tool, then I'll right click on it. Then I'm going to go to my feather, go to feather, then I'm going to feather by 2 pixels. Then I'm going to click on my max. Once I'm done with that, you might not be able to know what I actually did now if I just need to manipulation. All we did right is we actually removed the subject from the background. We removed the background from the subject on this our model layer. But you won't see what you just did right now until you turn off your background layer. As you can see, our model layer is there with our subject that the backdrop. So turn this back on right now, then go back there again, go back to the background layer and click on Ctrl J. Once you're done with that, rename it. Let's name it modify. Sorry, let's name it modify layer. Once you're done with that, next thing you need to do, hold down your Control key and click on the model max. So it's going to bring back our selection for us. All you just need to do right now is just to go to select, under select, go to modify, then go to expand. So this time around, I'll be expanding by 8 pixels because that's what I actually use the most. I'll click on my OK. Once I'm done with that, I'll also have to go to my rectangle marquee too. So I'm going to add this piece to the selection because I want all those areas I'm adding to the selection, I want them to be filled up with this entire background, even the way my subject is standing, because we already have our subject on a separate layer on its own. So I'll just go to my rectangle marquee too. I'll make sure my selection is on addition. I'm going to scroll over the area I want to be in my selection, around it like this. Going to scroll around it. I'll make sure I'm touching the background, but not too much. So I'm going to scroll over it like this. So all the selected area, including my subject, is going to actually fill up with the initial backdrop. All I just need to do right now is to right click. Then I'll go to fill. Under fill, I'm going to go to content aware. Color adaptation must be on. Blending mode normal. Opacity at 100%. Then I'm going to click on OK. And I'll wait for the AI to actually do the job for us. Let's see the result is actually going to give us. And I hope it's going to give us something very, very perfect because it actually do most of the time for me. And boom, it actually did. It filled the area up with the initial backdrop color. And the textures are also still there, the shadows are still there, which make it very, very real, very, very hyper realistic. And that's the goal of manipulation. So some of my actually thought this is how white our studio backdrop is without knowing we actually did an extension to it. So Ctrl D to select right now. So this is actually looking all nice, but the issue I'm having right now is there are wrinkles on the backdrop. So we're going to clean that up right now. So you can actually clean that up on the modify layer, but as for me, I love duplicating much layer as possible. In case I actually make any mistake, it's easier to go to the previous step than to go back like 4 5 steps. So for me to do that right now, my modify layer, I'm going to Control J on it. So we are going to have modify copy. So now let's rename this layer now to, let's rename it to blur, BLUR. So what I just need to do right now is just to go to my filter, under filter, I'll go to blur, then I'm going to click on Gaussian blur. So I'm going to increase the radius of the Gaussian blur. I'll increase it to until I'm no longer seeing the wrinkles there again. I think 87% is okay for me. 7 pixels is okay. So I have to click on my OK right now. So this is actually giving me a very, very nice vibe. It's cool. But the issue I'm having right now is that the shadows are no longer there again. Shadow on the foot. And to actually make any manipulation, we need a shadow on the foot. So what I just need to do right now is just to create a mask on my blur, create a mask on it. I'll pick my brush. I'll make sure my brush color is on black. I'm going to reduce the size. Reduce the size. I'm going to clean off on the leg, where the legs are. You can see, it actually brought back our shadows for us. So someone that actually did not know when the picture is taken or did not see the picture before we actually did the editing, I actually told this how wide and how smooth our backdrop is. So you can just start your collaborating this way, export your picture, but that's not why we're here for manipulation. So what I just need to do right now is to head over to my file manager right now and pick this Canva backdrop I used. So all these are my newest collection of files. I think there were 138. Will be available for sale in my store starting from now. And just go and actually get them there. So these are there, and my newly AI backdrop, which I actually generated, are also available for sale right now. Trust me, they are one of a kind, and they are going to transform the picture editing to the next level. Very, very easy and straightforward to use. And the beauty about this is that out of 138 files, I'm giving out 250 files in that same link for the same amount. But for now, the files that is going to be there is 150. So probably before the week runs out or in a week time, I'm going to add another 105 to the same link. So people that actually make purchase now can actually still gain access to that file later on. So the price of the file is not actually out yet, but once I'm done with the video, you're going to see the price on the store. Just head over to my store. You're going to see the price of the file there. So with no further ado, let me go to the background I'll be using. This is the background I'll be using right now. What I just need to do is to drag it down to my Photoshop. Just look at how this background is going to transform my picture to a very, very low light image. What I just need to do is to do the extension from the side. I'll drag it from the side, drag it from the side like this. So I'm going to place it. I'm going to drag it till I see it's actually fitting the area I want it to fit. I think around this way is okay. Then I'm going to click on my OK. Might be thinking, what are we doing right now? This is actually not looking like the picture we actually showed earlier on. But don't worry, we're actually going to get to that. So, but we still having one issue right now. Still having one issue. There's still the backdrop. There's still the remnants of the backdrop on part of the hair. So to remove that is very, very simple. What I just need to do, so click on your subject, which is a model, click on the model layer, go to layer, under layer, come down to meeting, then come down to color decontaminate. Click on your OK, and automatically it's going to remove just that for you. Click on your OK, then Ctrl D to select and Ctrl minus to actually zoom out. So go back to the background you just bring it right now. Change the blend mode from normal, bring it down to soft light, and boom. You can see it's actually looking like what you're actually trying to create. And trust me, if you're using a brown backdrop and you want to get this exact same result, all you just need to do is to go to your hue and saturation and desaturate the backdrop to actually give you the ash color, which is my initial backdrop. And you're going to get the exact same result I actually got for this picture. So what I just need to do right now, I want to blur the backdrop a little bit. Because the texture is too much for my liking. I'll just have to go to my blur filter. I'll go to blur, then I'm going to click on Gaussian blur. So I think about 8 pixel. Let's use 9.6 pixel is okay. Let's click on my OK. You can see right now, it's giving us a nice vibe. And here is where the final part comes in, which is the color grading. The colors are what is going to give us the perfect low light image we are actually dreaming about. All you just need to do right now is to click on the uppermost layer, go to adjustment layer, then click on your color lookup. Open it up, then scroll down and look for the first one, which is my Mela chocolate. Boom. But right now it's a little bit too dark for my liking. Let's come down to the opacity. I'm going to scroll it down. I'll scroll it down till I see fit. I think 45 is okay, like this. We're actually getting something nice. It's almost similar to this. Almost similar. But the issue is that we are yet to bring in our smoke effect. So I will give you guys this note effect. You can just bring it into the picture. I think I should give you the picture for you guys to practice with and send to me for corrections. But trust me, you'll be able to get a perfect result like me also. Because this step is simple and straightforward. So what I just need to do right now is just to go back to my adjustment layer again. Click on my color lookup again, open it up and scroll down to where my natural color is, this natural look. Click on it and boom. Did we achieve the same result or we did not? Look at the before, look at the after. Just that the smooth effect is not there. But I'll be giving you guys the smooth effect because I don't want to add it in this video. I'll be giving you guys the smooth effect to actually practice with and give me back the same results. Hope this video helped. If you're interested in getting any of the files, just head over to my store. The link is down in the description. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok also. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Telegram to get access to the file. So that's all it. So yeah, guys. Reflects out. So in case you're interested in getting any of my picture editing file, from my overlays down to my color lookup, which is my lot file, so you just have to scroll down to your video. So under the comment, this is my description. So it's not going to load the description for you. You just have to click on show more, click on it. So it's going to show all the options. Once it does that, just click on my store link. So here's my store link. Once you click on it, it's going to take you directly to my store. So you can actually select any file you want. From the color lookup, this is a light skin LUTs. This is a feather which I use in my recent video. This is 100 premium baby overlays. This is my first video course. This video course entails on how to download all the files I want. The site I use in downloading all my files free of charge, including my Photoshop panels also. This includes my PNG files. This includes all my packs, all my picture editing files, my premium overlay, my PNG, my flying fabrics, my color lookup, my presets. So once you buy this, you've already bought everything apart from this one. So here is my flying fabrics. Here is my, in case you want to give me any project for me to work on. Here's my color lookup. Here is my background overlay, and here is my presets file. So in case you're interested in buying anyone, you can actually go for them. The good news there is that you can actually buy your own currency, any currency of your choice. You can buy with any currency of your choice.